So hello and welcome to Film Mixologist. So what I'm going to be doing today, amongst other things, is I'm going to start assembling this piston. Now what I need to do is I need to warm it up a touch before I can put it in, because basically what I need, I need to expand slightly. Let's get rid of all the carbon then. Okay, so let's try with this. Just a tiny little bit of lubrication on here. No, come on. Excellent. So, yep, this goes in very nicely. Rubber mallet. And now, piston is quite hot, obviously. And now, it's where we need to do this slightly carefully. Excellent. There you go. So now I need to bit more. Excellent. So now what I need to do is I need to secure the pistons with the clips. So I need to obtain said clips. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to reattach these clips. But for this I might need a bit more of feel. So the piston is still quite hot. There you go. One and this one might need a bit more persuasion. That's alright. Just the top for that. There you go. You know what? I'm going to put it the other way around. That's better. Beautiful. Okay, so now we've got the piston, and now what I need to do is I need to prepare for, it's still quite hot, I need to prepare for the rings. I measured them in the previous video, so I know they are absolutely right on. So let me just get the tools and let's do the rings very quickly. And so the piston assembly, piston and rod assembly, sorry, is going to be ready to just put in the machine. Okay, so now what I'm doing right now is I'm doing rings. Have this ring expander, and what I'm trying to do, you need to be extremely careful and just expand the ring just enough so that it fits through the cylinder, no more than the absolute bare minimum necessary. There you go. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see, the rings are in. Obviously it's absolutely fine at the moment that they are kind of like this. I've got the oil control ring, which is fine, and this one's as well. Then obviously once it's time to put them inside the engine, we'll lubricate them properly, and then we'll put a ring compressor, and then we'll install them in the bore. But this is ready to, say, put away for the time being until we're ready to start the process of assembly. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be press fitting this greaser. And basically it's one that has no, the thread is damaged and it's nearly going in here, not quite there. So what I am going to do is I'm going to press fit it by means of heat. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm this, expand the metal, and once the metal is nice and hot, so basically I can feel it through my glove on the other side. Oh, it's nice and smoky. So once I've got the metal nice and hot and expanded, then that's when I will be able to press fit it onto that greaser. I think this should be enough. So, roll mallet. Beautiful. And that, whoa, hot. Okay, so that was the grease getting hot. And now once I'm going to let this cool down naturally. So once this is cool, this is going to be absolutely solid to the unit. Whoa, It is hot. So I need to let it cool down a little bit.